This is a peek inside my Phantom wallet, and as you can see, I have stacked over $500,000 using this one simple method that if you stick around in this video, I'm going to show you how deving is better than trading. Anytime, any day of the week. Near enough, guaranteed money with just a little bit of money to start you off, you can stack cash too.
Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on!
This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Guys, I'm super stoked that you stuck around to this point of the video because soon enough, I'm going to be getting into the nitty-gritty details as to how I made all this money. But first of all, we're going to take a look at this chart here. Take a look at this coin, right? The story of this coin is if you were to invest early, you'd have to hold on for over 2 days before you actually made any decent profit. Look at this massive trail here where the coin seems to go nowhere, all of a sudden gets a kick up, and that's where we would make our money. That's 2 whole days. Now, our method is way quicker than 2 days, right? We are not going to sit around for 2 whole days waiting for a coin to shoot to the moon, okay? Because chances are it probably won't. We'd be lucky in this case, but who's to know, right? Now, look, we could maybe trade and start making some okay P&L, but if you look, some of the numbers on these traders, these guys are making crazy amounts of money and super consistently. Now, there's only 2 ways of doing that. Either you know a dev or you are a dev, okay? I think in this case, this guy seems to know a dev because it's a relatively steady increase. So he knew exactly when to put the money in and when to take the money out. So we are going to become the devs. We're going to launch our own coin on Solana with no coding required, okay? So used to be that you had to learn how to code in order to get into this game, but not anymore. Now all we need to do is push some buttons on createcoin.fun. That is the platform that we are going to be using to make our own coin, okay? Launching our own coin is the guaranteed way to get us some serious Solana in our wallets, and then that can obviously translate to cash in our pockets. Now, let's take a look at the pump market. Now, the pump market is okay, but the issue with it is it's just full of bloatware. There's so many shit coins being pumped out onto the pump market all the time. I mean, look, you've got copies upon copies upon copies, okay? And the reason why a lot of coins don't make it much past a 1K or a 2K market cap is because there's just so much competition. However, we're going to switch over now to the Meteora market using Dynamic BC on Axiom, and as you can see, the market caps are insane. Look at this. Several coins are in the billions. Most coins get into the hundreds of millions, and that is because if a coin has some hype, it's got room to breathe in this market. I mean, look, even the lower end, you're looking at 83K there next to a 5 billion. I wouldn't want to be that coin. So first things first, we need to connect our Phantom wallet. So I've already got mine connected here. Okay, as you can see, I've got about $115 in. You'd normally push the connect wallet button. It will detect your wallet automatically just like this. You would simply click that and you are connected. Easy as that. Okay, so here's where you would put in the name of your token. It could be whatever you wanted. Then you'd come up with a cool marketing strategy. You'd figure out a way to generate hype, and then you'd hit next and move on with your life. But we're not going to do that today. Even though we are launching our own coin, we are instead going to use the copy trending feature. Okay, now this is a feature that will take a look at the pump market and look at some coins that are doing really well. And then we're simply going to take one of those coins and just migrate it over to the Meteora market. It's as easy as one click. Okay, so one click and we will start the copying process. Okay, so we can take a look at some of these, and I mean, we can look at the market caps, we can look at the sort of narrative around some of these, and these all look pretty cool, but you know, any of these would be a good choice. I mean, they've got some decent market caps here, but we're going to take a quick refresh, see if something else pops up that we like the look of. So what have we got here? Womanlet, we've got Top G. I mean, that's pretty fun. Let's see, Hansome's meme note. No, you know what? We're going to hit Womanlet, I think. We're going to copy this coin. So as you can see, the last pair was 4 hours ago. So let's hit a coin there and create one now. A warning will come up on your Phantom wallet, okay? And this is a perfectly normal part of the process. You have to do this. You've got to proceed. You've got to confirm. You have to tick a box, and then you have to confirm again, okay? Now, as I do this every single time, and it's come through fine for me, it's a normal part of the process. Right, now we need to create our liquidity pool. So the way we do that is we put a little bit of SOL into the coin, and that's what puts it on the market and gives it an initial value to start with. So we're going to create the liquidity pool, and this is where we put in a little bit of our SOL. I normally put in about 0.2. Usually that's what I put in. You can put in a little bit more if you like, but to be honest, 0.2 is kind of where you want to be. So this will put our coin on the market, and then other people will add their coin into it. Of course, we all know how that works. And so long as there's more than 0.2 when we pull the rug, then we're going to make some serious money. Okay, so we hit confirm there on that transaction, and then boom, here we are. We are on the market now. We've been created. So there's a few details here. You can see the pooled SOL, and also you can see our estimated value. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this lightning bolt. We're going to boost our token, and what that does is it boosts our token on Dex Screener's trending list to the top. Okay, now costs 0.25 SOL, and you will get that back, because what it means is all the bots that are rigged to hit the trending coins are going to buy us. So all this stuff's going to happen near enough automatically. We don't have to rely on those traders to spot our coin. So let's take a look. So I have just kicked this off now, and we're running this on Dex Screener. I won't let this run for very long. I think I'm going to probably run this for another 30 seconds. And you're just seeing, look at these numbers that are flooding in here. Okay, so already our liquidity, we're at 1.5k, dropped down a bit there, but that's all right. It'll shoot back up, no problem, 1.2. And, you know, our market cap already at 2.9k. So we are ahead of most of the pump coins already. And, you know, this is because of that booster, guys. So we are getting all of this interest in our coin near enough immediately. One, because there's already a market for it, because it was already trending on pump. And two, because of that boost, we're getting a bunch of automatic buyers coming in. That's the secret to this strategy, guys. Now, let's have a look at our new estimated value now that we've had this running for a little bit. So we've started at $16. We are now at 1.37k. What a jump, guys. And this happens near enough every single time. It's just a case of rinse and repeat. So we're going to hit this minus button. That helps us remove the liquidity. We're going to remove 100%. This is the rug pull, guys. This is what it looks like to be on the nice end of a rug pull where the money goes into our pocket. Now, obviously, I make money with all of these videos. So if you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, I will put you into a prize draw where you could win half of what I make today. Let's have a look. So we have made 1,384, so minus the 115 odd dollars. So that's basically $1,200 profit today. Guys, you have got to get on to this method. This is the way forward.